Listen. Listen.
Hello everyone, welcome to SAP BTP Innobytes, May edition. Nobody likes typing long passwords, and on the other hand, nobody wants to have their accounts hacked due to a weak password. The solution is of course single sign-on, where you authenticate very securely, but you only do it once and then have access to all relevant applications for a given period of time. For all the SAP GUI users out there, we've just released a new cloud service that takes the single sign-on experience to the next level. SAP Secure Login Service for SAP GUI relies on the capabilities of the SAP Business Technology Platform and SAP Cloud Identity Services to integrate single sign-on for SAP GUI with cloud-based identity providers. In this example, Identity Authentication Service is used for secure multi-factor authentication, where the password is the first factor and a fingerprint as the second. You could also connect SAP Secure Login Service with your existing corporate identity provider to reuse its authentication features for SAP GUI. To learn more about SAP Secure Login Service for SAP GUI, check out the link below.
With the SAP Cloud Identity Services, you manage access to BTP and your SAP Cloud applications. When it comes to access control for the admin console of the identity services itself, there was a need for more flexibility. For instance, some of our SuccessFactors customers have very specific requirements for access control for their blue-collar worker scenarios. Thanks to the new delegated admin feature, this is now possible. We introduced a policy-based authorization concept with which authorizations can be granted on attribute level. An administrator can now be granted access to only those user profiles and only those attributes for which he shall be authorized. To learn more about the topic, please check the link below.
Have you ever asked yourself whether you should start with a story or analytical application to build dashboards? With the QRC2 release of SAP Analytics Cloud runs on SAP BTP, stories and analytical applications are unified into one integrated design type. Now you can start with the story, extend it with scripting and other advanced capabilities. You can add a custom widget to enrich your visualization options, apply theme to ensure the consistent look and feel of your story, and leverage advanced responsive layout to adapt different desktop resolutions and mobile devices. Moreover, you can stay proactively informed about data changes coming from the data change insight via email or notification. There are many more new features with these innovations. Please check below link for more details.
Listen.